Good morning, grade 9. Today we are going to start lesson 3, circulation and excretion. We mentioned in lesson 1 of chapter 6 that animals obtain and digest food. And the animal digests food through a system called digestive system. Yes? In lesson 2 of this chapter, we mentioned how animals obtain oxygen. And the animals obtain oxygen through a system called respiratory system. Yes? And digestive system and respiratory system work together to make process called cellular respiration. By this process, the body gets energy. Yes? The food burning in presence of oxygen, and the energy is released. The body move, think, run, make any activity by this energy. Yes? So, in lesson 3, we'll study together a new system called circulation. Our circulatory system through a process called circulation. Circulatory system like digestive system and like respiratory system. But this system transports the food that digested from the digestive system and oxygen that comes to or came to the body through respiratory system, and circulatory system transports the materials, food and oxygen to cells. Why? To make cellular respiration. So the three systems work together. Respiratory system, digestive system, circulatory system work together to transport needed materials. What I mean by needed materials? I need food, digested food and oxygen. This is needed material to cells. Why? To release energy through cellular respiration. We mentioned in lesson 2, cellular respiration happens in every cell in your body. I have trillion cells. Yes, every cell in your body makes cellular respiration, and the energy is released. Energy only knows energy with waste products of cellular respiration. Waste product is carbon dioxide and also water vapor. Yes? So, circulatory system transports needed materials to cells and take away wastes. So, circulatory system must work with both digestive and respiratory system, as I told you. Complex animals, like me, like vertebrates, all vertebrates called complex animals. Complex animals have one of the two types of circulatory system. We have two types? Yes. When we spoke about digestive system, we spoke about simple digestive system for invertebrates, yes? And also complicated digestive system for vertebrates. Also, circulatory system. We have two circulatory systems, open and closed circulatory system. What I mean by open and closed? Before we speak about open and closed circulatory system, you have to know the parts of circulatory system. Circulatory system means blood, because we mentioned before, blood carries the digested food and the oxygen. So blood belongs to the circulatory system. Okay? Blood only, no. Blood with vessels. The blood must move in the vessels, in the tubes, and circulate the body. Circulate or turn through the body. Yes? This is the blood in vessels. What about heart? Heart is a machine. The pump the blood. Yes? So heart is a machine that pumps blood. This machine hollow, muscular structure that pumps blood through vessels. So the main structures of circulatory system: 3. Heart, hollow muscular structure that pumps blood through vessels. Number 2, blood vessels. What I mean by blood vessels? Blood vessels means arteries, veins, capillaries. Yes? All these called connected network of tubes that carries blood. Okay? So each blood vessel carries the blood with digested food and oxygen. Also, some vessels carry the waste product of respiration, carbon dioxide, and water vapor. So the blood also carries digested food and oxygen, and the other carries the waste products like carbon dioxide and water vapor. Yes? Look at blood transports digested food from the digestive system and the oxygen from the respiratory system to the cells, as you told me. In addition, blood carries carbon dioxide and other wastes from cells to organs. Yes? From cells to organs that eliminate them from the blood. يعني معنى كده ان waste products carried from the cells of all organs to eliminate them from the body until it reaches the lungs, like carbon dioxide. I expel carbon dioxide through exhalation. Yes, I expel sweat, العرق, sweat through skin. Yes, so comes with blood until reaches the skin and comes as sweat. Yes, and also I can expel the excess water like urine through excretory system. We'll speak about circulatory system later. Okay, this is urine. This excess water comes from the cells, okay, through the blood. Okay. We'll speak about the first type of circulatory system, open circulatory system. Open means no vessels. So how can blood move without vessels? Oh, blood vessel. This is vessels special for closed circulatory system. But open circulatory system, the blood moves direct from heart to the organs. So open circulatory system, sure for invertebrates. Why is? Because it's small body. Small body. So the circulation happens in a short time. Because the body of invertebrates is very small. So doesn't need what? Doesn't need vessels. مش محتاج vessels. Blood doesn't always travel in vessels. This is open circulatory system. Yes? Open circulatory system means the blood doesn't travel in vessels. This is special for invertebrates and special types in invertebrates like arthropods. Arthropods means insects, means arachnids, means incrustation, and also most mollusks. Yes, in which blood doesn't always travel in vessels. One or more hearts. So I can see more than hearts. Yes? I can see 3 or 4 to help them pump the blood to the organs, pump the blood to the head, pump the blood to the legs, pump the blood to the wings, pump the blood to the stomach, and so on. Yes? Look, we have more than one heart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. More than 7 hearts. Yes, in grasshopper inside. But the size of heart very, very small to pump the blood directly to the organs. 1 or more hearts pump the blood to head and the organs. The blood flows into space around the animal's organs, no vessels. The materials, what I mean by materials, I mean food and oxygen, and also waste products like carbon dioxide. Materials are exchanged between blood and cells directly. Eventually, the blood moves back into the heart. Again, the blood returns back to the heart to carry the digested food and oxygen to the rest of the organs, yes, and so on. عشان كده, so So for this reason, I name circulatory system by circulatory, due to the circulation, the trend that happens through the whole body organ. Okay, the circle, yes, comes from circle, yes, circle, no beginning and no ending, yes, circle. Eventually the blood moves back into the heart, or hearts rebounded again. Okay. What about closed circulatory system? Closed circulatory system, special for all vertebrates and some segmented organs. So some invertebrates with closed circulatory system, and some mollusks also with closed circulatory system. Yes, we have a special closed circulatory system for all vertebrates. What about all vertebrates? The human being, birds, fish, amphibians, reptiles, all these vertebrates, so all these with closed circulatory system. Closed circulatory system means blood move in a vessels, like arteries and veins. Yes? So closed circulatory system means the blood always stays inside vessels and the heart. Large vessels, like arteries, like large vessels, led away or come away from heart to the organs. But the ending of the arteries should end with capillaries. Capillaries network or small or tiny vessels connected between the large vessels and the organs. Why? Because the blood carries digested food and oxygen and transport it to the cells. So the cells are very, very small. How large vessels transport the digested food and oxygen to the cells? So we have connection between large vessels and the organ through capillaries. Capillaries are thin, tiny walled blood vessels where the blood and the blood cells exchange substance. Yes? So digested food molecule and the oxygen in blood pass through the capillary walls in the cell. At the same time, carbon dioxide and other waste pass from the cells into the capillaries. Yeah? The capillaries merge out, means out from large vessels. Yes? So it connects large vessels and the organs. Okay? These capillaries that lead back to the heart. Look at the worm and the closed circulatory system. Look at the blood, red blood, pass through vessels. Yes? Look at it has also, the worm has more than heart, pump of blood through vessels to the rest of the body. Yes? To the rest of the body. So I can make comparison between open circulatory system and the closed circulatory system. Open circulatory system characterized with characteristics of many invertebrates, closed characteristics of all vertebrates and some segmented worm and mollusks. Number 2, open circulatory system, blood does not always travel inside vessels. Closed circulatory system, blood always stay in vessels. Number 3, open circulatory system, material are exchanged between blood and cells directly without vessels. But closed circulatory system, capillaries. Capillaries, I mean veins, arteries, and tiny capillaries in which blood move or come from the organs where the blood and the blood cells exchange substance. Okay? How do vertebrates circulatory system? Vertebrates, I mean closed circulatory system. When I speak about vertebrate, I mean closed. But not all vertebrates alike. The fish with small hearts, so with small circulation, yes? It's not like a human being. So the heart of fish very small, not like the heart of the mammal, like me and you, yes? So all vertebrates have closed circulatory system, but the circulatory system are not the same. Inside the vertebrates, inside the circulatory system of the vertebrate, we have two patterns for circulating blood in the closed system. We have single loop circulation, and one trip, one circle. This is what I mean by single loop circulation. And I have double loop circulation. true double loop circulation for mammals like me and you. Yes? So we have two patterns for circulating blood inside the closed system. We have single loop circulation pattern and the double loop circulation. Look at the heart, hollow, yes, to allow blood in and out through the hollow vascular organ. Yes, we have two main rooms or chambers. Yes, two main chambers, up and down, or upper and lower. The hearts of closed circulatory system, yes, with two main chambers. Upper chamber called the atrium and lower chamber called ventricle. Yes, look at atrium and this is ventricle. Yes, the atrium receives blood from body. The atrium is blood enter the heart through the atrium. هو ده الفيرست room. Then we have valve between atrium and ventricle. Look at the valve. Yes, look at the valve. This valve and this valve. Allow blood pass from atrium to ventricle. So ventricle chamber receives the blood from atrium and then pumps it into the body. So the ventricle pump the blood through other valve. Look at the artery, wide and thick artery. Look at this artery also, wide and thick vessel. So the blood pumped from ventricle and pass through the main arteries, main thick arteries, and bump into the whole body. We have two colors in this. This is heart for mammals, for human beings, especially for human beings. We have blue and red. Red, this is oxygen-rich blood. The blood rich with oxygen. That will blue. This is oxygen poor blood. يعني oxygen قليل قوي في البلاد ده. عشان كده لونه blue. يعني معنى كده ان هو rich in carbon dioxide. Yes. Now, I know we have two different types in the blood. Yes? Or blood. عندي oxygen rich blood وعندي carbon dioxide blood rich or هقول oxygen poor blood. عايزة أعرف the way of the direction البور أو الأكسجين poor blood ده go to the lung. Yes, to deliver carbon dioxide to the lungs and lungs expel carbon dioxide out through excretion. But when oxygen reaches blood ده بقى move to the body organs, the whole body organs, to supply the body organs with oxygen. Yes? Okay, we'll complete this session. We will complete speaking about